Hi guys, Celine here. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video guys, as you can see in my title, I will be sharing with you my honest thoughts and experience using this Lux Organics Microfoam Facial Cleanser. So if you are interested to know more about this product, then please keep on watching. But before that guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and also turn on that post notification bell so you will be notified on my next video.
You're making me stronger, making me stronger, stronger.
Hello guys! Kumusta kayong lahat? And for today's video guys, pag-uusapan nga po natin ang Lux Organics Facial Foam Cleanser. Kung ano nga ba yung experience ko while using this products. Pakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano nga ba itong product ni Lux Organics na ginagamit ko ngayon. So, eto siya guys. Ayan, si Lux Organics na 99% aloe vera brightening microfoam cleanser. Ayan yung aking latest na ginagamit as facial cleanser guys. Actually, isa rin siya or kasama siya sa mga Watsons haul ko na mga bagong skincare products na napamili ko. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood guys, i-leave ko lang yung link para naman makita ninyo kung ano pa yung mga skincare products na napamili ko. So, let's move on na dito sa ating product for this day guys. This product guys na nabili ko sa Watsons is worth 199 pesos and it contains 120 ml. And this product is made in Korea. Nakita nyo naman guys, yung kanyang packaging is very nice lang and simple. Madali lang siyang gamitin. I-open lang natin siya ng ganyan. Kita ninyo guys sa packaging yung aloe vera natin, which is the star ingredient nitong product na ito, si aloe vera. And itong product na ito guys is with vitamin C, which is kailangan na kailangan talaga ng ating skin nowadays. Alam naman natin ang vitamin C is the best when it comes to brightening our skin. Kung bibili kayo ng mga product or mga skincare products guys, kailangan na piliin ninyo yung merong vitamin C. Kaya naman nabili ko ito guys is favorite ko talaga yung aloe vera, and gustong-gusto ko rin yung mga products na nagko-contain ng vitamin C, which aking tulong talaga to improve na malighten yung aking skin. As you can see guys, ayan, napakasimple lang ng packaging nitong Lux Organics na 99% aloe vera brightening microfoam cleanser. Bukod sa nagko-contain na siya ng aloe vera extract, is meron din siyang vitamin C, best ingredient para talaga makapagpalighten ng ating skin. And also guys, this product is paraben-free, alcohol-free, and cruelty-free. And sa likod nitong product guys is makikita naman ninyo yung kanyang ingredients and other information. Nandito rin nakalagay guys yung kanyang manufacture date, and meron siya ditong expiration date. And this product guys is made in Korea. This Lux Organics Microfoam Cleanser guys is ginamit ko siya for almost 1 month. Kaya naman nakapag-decide ako na i-share sa inyo kung okay nga ba para sa aking skin. By the way guys, ang skin type ko pala is combination dry to oily skin ako guys. So, kung okay ba siya para sa mga dry to oily skin. And naka-indicate dito guys, Lux Organics 99% aloe vera brightening microfoam cleanser, pampering skin with aloe vera extracts and vitamin C. This cleansing foam super at calming, brightening, providing moisture for your skin. It eliminates dirt and other impurities from makeup residue without causing irritation. And alam nyo guys na ang aloe vera talaga is best to soothe and calm your skin, and also isa siya sa mga best talaga to moisturize our skin. And nakakatulong din siya kapag meron tayong mga skin problems like acne or burnt ng ating skin. Kaya naman tinry ko itong si Lux Organics aloe vera, and ngayon guys isi-share ko sa inyo kung okay nga ba para sa ating combination ang skin type. So, hindi ako fan ng mga facial cleanser, or hindi talaga ako gumagamit ng mga facial cleanser. Okay na ako doon sa Dove na bar or doon sa aking Kojic soap. Nakita ko na kailangan ng skin ko rin na magpahinga sa Kojic soap kasi nakikita ko talaga na may pagka-dryness na yung aking skin. Kaya naman tinry ko itong Lux Organics na facial foam cleanser with aloe vera. Subukan ko guys kung okay ba siya na makapag-eliminate or matanggal niya yung pagka-flaky and dry ng aking skin, most especially dito sa side na yan, na akala mo na merong nanuyong laway dito sa may gilid ng ating bibig na ganyan. So, very, very dry talaga yung skin ko dyan. And itong facial cleanser na ito guys is very mild lang yung kanyang scent, kaya naman nagustuhan ko. Kung talagang fan kayo ng mga aloe vera na skincare products, ganun yung kanyang amoy. Meron siyang mild scent and color white lang siya guys. Ganyan siya. Kanyang texture naman talaga guys is sobrang moisturized, napaka-soft niya sa skin. Nagustuhan ko naman yung kanyang effect. Mag-i-insert ako ng clips dito guys kung paano ko ginagamit etong facial cleanser na ito.
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up. It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you.
And for my final thoughts dito sa ating Lux Organics na Brightening Facial Foam Cleanser is okay siya sa aking skin. And para naman sa kanyang price guys na 199 pesos sa ganito kalaking product, nagko-contain na siya ng 120 ml is okay na okay para sa mga nagbabudget na mommy like me. And then when it comes naman sa kanyang performance guys, nagustuhan ko naman siya dahil nakakitaan ko na nag-brighten nga or nag-lighten up yung aking skin. Naging moisturize yung aking skin, nabawasan or na-lessen yung pagda-dry ng gilid ng aking ilong at moisturize niya talaga. And hindi ko na nakikita nag-flaky yung aking skin dyan. And then, sa kanyang scent naman guys, mild yung kanyang scent. So, okay na okay siya for me. At guys, meron lang akong downside nito guys. Kasi nung mga unang araw ko siyang ginamit, nakita ko na nagkaroon ako ng mga bumps, unnecessary effect na hindi ko nagustuhan sa kanya noong mga unang araw ko siyang ginagamit. Kasi talagang twice ko siyang ginagamit guys, every morning and every evening. Puro nag-react lang yung aking skin dito sa bagong product na ginamit ko. Pero nung mga sumunod na araw naman na, nakita ko naman na parang nawawala rin yung mga bumps na tumubo sa aking dito banda ganyan. Bukod sa nagbabrighten na yung aking skin is glowy pa and moisturize yung aking skin. Kaya ko siya nagustuhan. Paalala ulit guys na itong product na ito is ginamit ko and nag-work siya sa akin. And hindi porket ini-introduce ko siya sa inyo is 100% sure na ako na mag-work din sa inyo dahil magkakaiba tayo ng skin type. So, marirecommend ko sa inyo ito guys para ipahinga yung ating skin sa Kojic soap and ma-moisturize naman talaga yung ating balat para healthy tingnan yung ating skin. So, ayun na nga guys. I hope na nakatulong sa inyo ang video kong ito. Kung gusto niyo yung itry itong aloe vera na facial foam cleanser ni Lux Organics. And kung na-try naman na ninyo guys and nagamit na ninyo, let me know guys sa comment section below kung okay ba siya sa inyo and ano yung mga naging experience ninyo while using this product. And before we ended up this video guys, I just want to say hello to it's me, Catherine25 from Barcelona. Hello Sissy and thank you so much for watching. So that is it for this video guys. I hope you find this video useful, helpful, and beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also turn on that post notification bell so you will be notified on my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on my next video.